Hello dear friends, this is MG, a geologist designer. This is not an official course. It may contain errors, so be sure to revise from the professor's lesson. Last time we saved our image, without adding a scale bar and the north arrow. In the image window click Overlay, Annotation. After that click Object, Scale Bar. Put your scale bar where you want, place it with left click, and confirm with the right click. Change the color and the thickness as you like. Avoid making errors, because you will have to start from zero. Object, Symbols. Change the font to ENVI symbols and choose one of these north arrows. Increase the size. Left click to place the arrow, and right click to confirm it. Save the annotations so we can use them later. But what if we want to place annotations in one part of the image? We will have some difficulties, so I advise you to start the work from the start. Let's make a new meta file fast. Now select all the bands and click Spatial Subset.
Enter your coordinate like we did in the last video.
Now we add annotations. Click Overlay again, Annotation, Object, Scale Bar. Change the color and the thickness as you like. Left click to place the scale bar, and right click to confirm it. Object, Symbols. Change the font to ENVI symbols and choose one of these north arrows. Increase the size. Left click to place the arrow, and right click to confirm it. Save the annotations so we can use them later. Now I will show you how to make a forward PC rotation and a band ratios. Let's start with the PC rotation. In the ENVI bar window, click Transform, Principal Components. Forward PC rotation, compute new statics and rotate. Click on your meta file name. Save your STANPFR file. Make a 1-2-3 color composite. Add your annotation from the image window. Click Overlay, Annotation. Click File, Restore Annotation, that we saved last time, and save the image directly. Here is our 123 FPR image. Now, let's make some band ratios. In the ENVI bar menu, click Transform, Band Ratios, enter your first numerator and denominator. I will use the band 5 with the band 7 first. Click Enter's pair. Now add the other pairs that you need. Be sure to ask your teacher what pair you need to use. Now make a composite color R equals 5 with 7, G 5 with 3 and B equals 7 with 4. Add the annotations and save your image. Try to make all the possible combinations as listed below. This was MG. A geologist designer. See you in the next video.